going to talk about smokeless powder burn rates and actually light some on fire to show you that you can actually see the difference in the burn rates of the various powders. I have 3 double-base pistol powders of different burn rates according to the latest Hodgdon IMR relative burn rate chart, which ranks 163 different smokeless powders, from 1 being the fastest to 163 being the slowest. Don't ask me how they come up with these charts, because there's a bunch of them out there from various powder manufacturers, and they don't all totally agree with each other, but it's enough to say that these 3 are fairly evenly spaced amongst the top 55 in this chart. And, well, they're the only 3 I have right now. I have a bottle of Bullseye. This is ranked 13 on this chart, so it's the fastest I have. It's a fine flake form powder. Next I have a bottle of Alliant Unique. This is ranked number 32 and is also a flake form. And I'll kind of show you that stuff, but it's a much larger flake. And finally I have a bottle of Ramshot Enforcer. This is ranked number 55 and is a ball form powder. So anyway, yeah, we'll go over that. But if you do the math, that's only the first third of the chart. So after my demonstration, you should be able to appreciate how slow something's ranked number 163 would be.
So let's talk about powder types real quick here. There are 3 types of smokeless powder. There's flake, there's ball, and extruded. Here's a magnified shot of my 3 powders. You can see how Alliant Bullseye on the left is made up of tiny round flakes. Alliant Unique is larger round flakes in the middle here, and Ramshot Enforcer is made up of these little balls. I don't have any extruded powder on hand, but here's a photo, compliments of Wikipedia, that shows how extruded powder looks like these little extruded logs. These different types of manufacturing processes are designed to control the speed of the burn and the ease of working with the powder during the loading process. Other factors like special coatings and preservatives also affect the burn rate, but I won't spend a lot of time on that because I'd rather be playing with fire.
So let's play with fire, shall we?
Okay, just so I have the same amount, I'm using a little powder measure here. And this is the Bullseye. This is the fastest. I'm going to put a little pile over there. Now we're going to do the Unique. There you go. Put a pile right here in the middle. Hopefully lighting one doesn't catch them all 3 on fire. Now for the slowest powder I have, the Enforcer. Right over there. Okay, now first we're going to light the fastest, the Bullseye. So how fast that went. Unique, a little bit slower. Enforcer, way slower. So there you have it. Okay, since we did the volume, now we'll do the same experiment with actual weight. So this is 5 grains of each powder, set up the same way: Bullseye, Unique, and Ramshot Enforcer. Bullseye, Unique, Enforcer.
Well, there you have it. You can actually see the different burn rates, even though none of these powders were under the extreme pressure they're under when encased in a live ammo round. They burn a whole lot quicker under pressure, and some burn cleaner than others, depending on the size of the casing and the amount of the powder. The burn rate, of course, has nothing to do with how good or powerful a powder is. The slower powders work better in large rifle casing, and the faster ones are designed for shotguns and pistols. But that's all for a different conversation. So see you next time.